Wiki is an online encyclopedia based on Wikipedia. When we are first visiting the index page, you can see a list of existing encyclopedia entries. When you click on any of the entries, the app redirects you to the entry page when you can see the title and the body of the entry. There is a search functionality which when you hit the exact match of the existing entry, like CSS for example, you will be redirected to this entry. Or when you hit only a matching substring in existing entries, you will be redirected to a list of existing matching results. You can create a new page. After saving, after doing this properly, you will be redirected to the entry page of this new page. You can of course edit You can also use a random page functionality. And as you probably already noticed, the application supports a conversion from a Markdown GitHub's language to HTML. Thank you.